Neoclassical economics is a broad theory that forms the foundation for contemporary economic thought. It emerged in the late 19th century as a response to classical economics and has since developed into the dominant economic framework used to analyze market behavior, consumer decision-making, and policy impacts. Here are the key elements and characteristics of neoclassical economics. Rationality. Neoclassical economics assumes that individuals are rational actors who make decisions by maximizing utility, satisfaction or benefit as consumers and profit as producers. This concept of rationality underlies much of the economic modeling and theory development in neoclassical economics. Marginalism. One of the critical contributions of neoclassical economics is its focus on marginal analysis. It emphasizes the importance of marginal changes, such as the effect of producing one additional unit of a good or the utility gained from consuming one additional unit of a product. This focus helps in understanding how decisions are made at the margin. Equilibrium. Neoclassical economics heavily relies on the concept of equilibrium, where demand equals supply. This state is seen as a natural result of competitive markets leading to efficient outcomes, where no individual can be made better off without making someone else worse off. Pareto efficiency. Supply and demand. The interaction of supply and demand is central to neoclassical analysis, determining prices in the market. This mechanism helps explain how resources are allocated in a market economy. Perfect competition. Many neoclassical models assume perfect competition, a theoretical market structure characterized by many buyers and sellers, all of whom have full information and the ability to freely enter or exit the market. While real markets often deviate from this ideal, it serves as a useful benchmark for analyzing market behaviors and efficiency. Methodological individualism. Neoclassical economics often analyzes the economy by starting at the level of individual agents, consumers and firms. The aggregate behavior of the economy is seen as the sum of individual actions. Mathematical formalism. The use of mathematical models and techniques is prevalent in neoclassical economics to derive conclusions about economic behavior and to predict outcomes. This approach helps provide clarity and consistency in analysis. The influence of neoclassical economics extends beyond academia into public policy and economic regulation. Its frameworks are used to predict the impact of changes in policy, to design economic and fiscal policies, and to evaluate the efficiency of different markets. However, it has faced criticism, especially from behavioral economists, who argue that its assumption of rational decision-making does not adequately capture real human behavior, which is often irrational or influenced by other psychological factors. Additionally, critics from other schools of thought, like the Keynesians or institutional economists, argue that it often overlooks the roles of institutions, history, and social factors in shaping economic outcomes.